Hi, welcome to Microsoft channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to do urine analysis or urine test at home by using our Microsoft urine analysis strips. So right now what we require in the first point is key you have to check out exactly what is your configuration requirement. Like there are different types of strips available. We have urine glucose ketone, glucose protein, and 10 parameters, which are having all the parameters like new leukocytes. While we come to the ketones, it is glucose and ketone as it is, and glucose protein and leukocytes, nitrate, urobilinogen, proteins, pH, blood, specific gravity, ketone, bilirubin, and glucose. So these are the three configurations which are available with us right now. And what you require to test is a pack of strip. We will do all the three parameters right now, not an issue. And you require the urine sample. So this is the urine sample. So what you have to do at the first point is uh, take out the strip. So let's do it with the 2 parameter. Not an issue that if it is 10 parameter or 2 parameter or anything, the procedure is one and the same, right? So first you need to take out the dipstick, close the canister back intact, because if you get the air contamination, then the other strips will be spoiled, right? So just dip it for 30 seconds. So we have to wait for 30 seconds to get the reaction in the strips. Let the chemicals react with each other. So it doesn't mean that you need a first urine or second urine or anything. So any urine of the day you can test it. Ensure that the container which you are using is a sterile one and it's not contaminated with any other materials like any food or any alcohol or anything, right? So right now we have given the enough time. So take out the strip and just tap it to ensure that the liquid has left the strip. So then this is what we got, and here on the side of the bottle you can see the parameters. So right now you have to match where exactly it is matching. So right now it is matching the first one means the light blue is very clear. So forget the shade, not an issue. If it is slight lighter, not a problem, you have to go with the lowest one, right? Here it is not matching, but here it is matching. So what we got is the both tests are negative. So even the ketone is negative and glucose is also negative, right? So this is how you will see. And while taking this, let us keep it aside. Now we will go for 10 parameter test. So here is the 10 parameter strips, which is having all the parameters what exactly is required, like leukocytes, nitrogen, urobilinogen, protein, pH, blood, specific gravity, ketone, bilirubin, and glucose. Alright, so firstly we have to dip it. No problem, you can bend the strip, not an issue. So I have bended the strip like this to ensure that it has been dipped properly. Don't worry, it won't break. So what we can see, yeah, we got the first one again. So in here you can see the glucose, the first parameter, which is in the blue turquoise, right? And here it is given green. So it is okay that slight light band, slight light color appears on the strip, because there will be a difference in the printing, right? So here it is 100%. It has matched all the parameters, right? So this is how we are going to test.